Hello, welcome back to my channel for most, and welcome back for a little, because I'm new. But anyway, welcome to the channel. Before we get started, smack that like button, subscribe, comment, share, and let me get started with what I want to tell you. I want to tell y'all that I got the GoXLR MINI, and I'm kind of stoked about it. And the reason why I'm stoked about it is because I got everything else that I wanted and I needed for my setup. Yeah, I do streaming, content creation, photo editing, video editing, just like most of you do. But I never could get this thing right here for nothing. I've always seen the flagship one, but I'm paying $600 plus for it. No, I don't use the interface like that. I don't use them special effects and the voice change and all that. I don't do all that. So it's really no point. But anyway, tell you a little bit about this for the ones who don't know. You know, I don't need when you press it, it goes up by itself like the flagship. No. I can just manually do it. One con about it is it's kind of big, but I've upgraded to a sit-stand desk, a wider desk in a way. So that's no biggie. So the 𝐓 I have that right in there. But the only reason I had to get it to try, Amazon had it, and it wasn't sold out, and it was available to get to me in one day, and I had to get it because I've been trying to get one of these things even before I got the GoXLR Wave or the 𝐓 Elgato. So let me be quick now. Don't want to keep you all day. So what I'm going to do, and the reason why, because it said that you didn't need anything like a cloud lifter or a fat head in between the GoXLR and cables and the end of your audio interface or your audio control interface. Well, that wasn't true. To a degree it was, but I got a fat head. I didn't get a cloud lifter. I got a fat head, and they said, don't use phantom power on your Shure SMB7 because it's not good for it. Guess what? I had to use phantom power on my Elgato 𝐓 because without hitting phantom power, I can't hear nothing. So maybe it was a bombed up device or what, who knows? But anyway, I had my eyes on this for a couple of years because I upped everything. So I got this, and I'm stoked about it. Now they say it's a learning curve, but like I say, it's a learning curve to everything, in my opinion. And I'm ready to play with this right here and see. This got software to run with it too. But this already got your noise gates, your VSTs, and all that in it. XLR, you have to download the plugins and put in OBS Studio or OBS. You gotta put in OBS, Zoom, or whatever. It's already in here. So I'm gonna see if there's a fundamental difference. If there's a fundamental difference, I will let you know. Whatever audio control device you got, if you have one, if you're a content creator, streamer or whatever, leave your comment down here. Leave it down there and let me know. Let me know what settings you got them on. Maybe it was me. Who knows? But I just know I seen this and I said, you know what? I gotta give this a shot because they never stay in. Again, the big boys, the flagship always stay in, but I'm not paying that. And I really didn't want to pay that for this. However, I just wanted to try it. So that's gonna be all. Just wanted y'all to know, hey, I got a XLR MINI. No, I'm not sponsored by them. Not at all. I just started YouTube, so of course I'm not sponsored by them. So I was just stoked to have this, and I wanted y'all to know. So I wanted some to know who've been trying to get this. Hey, I'll leave a link down, and I think they still got about 15 more, but they ain't coming 2 days no more. They're not coming 1 day no more. If I get some, I'm wanting right then. I don't want to wait no week. If I have to wait a week for it, I'm not getting that. But until then, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. Please let me know what you're using in my comment section. I'm just curious to see. If you got one of these, let me know how it's working out for you. Until then, y'all have a blessed day. I'm out of here. Peace.